Welcome to this channel. This is Patrick. When I started trading, I was trading on mobile, and I have shared several mobile strategies in this channel. But out of all those strategies, it is this strategy that I consider to be much profitable in my opinion. It is this strategy that I could be able to make several withdrawals from the market with it, and this is even before I was selling anything online or any commission from anywhere. It was purely trading. I traded until I could afford my own PC and stuff. I know I shared this strategy before, but I have refreshed it a bit, removed unnecessary stuff. If you can remember on the previous videos on the RSI, I had the 80 line level and the 20 line level. Instead, I have added new information that I consider to be important, and I'm going to be sharing that with you. All right, what can we start with? Maybe the strategy setup. Let's just remove everything right here and put it from scratch. Okay, you have to click this F function, and please follow carefully. It's amazing how some people fail to insert these things. I find it very easy. How will you trade if you can't set this? First thing, you want to insert the relative strength index, RSI. Just click it. You'll get to this page. Copy what you see. Period 1 apply to close, style, and then the important thing are these levels. So you need to have level 91, 90, 89, level 50, level 11, 10, and 9. The description is on level 10, strong buy, 50 is your take profit, 90 is your strong sell. Once you have done this, you go back and then you click done. Easy as that. Now you have your RSI. The last thing that you need to do, you go to the F function again. You go to indicator window 1, you click there, go to envelopes, you copy as is. I've already made the settings. It's period 1, deviation 0, shift 0, method is smooth, apply to close. Okay, once you have done that, you click done. Please copy exactly what you see. Click done. Once you make changes to anything, it becomes a different strategy. All right, now you have your indicator on your screen. Okay, now for the trading rules, maybe we should start on the whiteboard. Okay, let's come to the whiteboard. You have 3 lines. This line is your strong sell, this is the 50 line, which is your TP, and this is the line for the strong buy. So the rules are simple. On the RSI, what you want to see is price. Let me just make a simple illustration. Price touching the strong buy zone, and once price has touched the strong buy zone, you have to see on the charts. Let's say price was moving down like this, and then price touched the strong buy zone at this point. What you want to see is price coming to close above this previous pivot, which is the previous key level. Once price closes above this, right at this point, you can take a buy. Price must close with a full candle for you to take a buy. You have to see that price has clearly closed above, and then you can take the buy. Okay, that should be easy. For a sell, you see price touching the strong sell zone, and then let's say on the chart price was moving like this, and then it touched the strong sell zone at this point. Once price touches the strong sell zone, you want to see price closing below this key level. Once price closes below this in a full candle, this is where you take the sell trade. First thing, price has to touch the strong sell region right here, and then on the screen price has to close below this key level. Easy as that, you take the trade. Once you take the trade, yes, price might pull back and then come back again. So if you see price pulling back right at this point, if you see a bearish engulfing or any reversal pattern, you can even add another trade. For the stop loss, it's safer to put it right above that above key level or that above highest point. If you come to the real charts, I've already marked the key level. Price touched the 10 line level, and once price touches the 10 line level, the first thing that you do, you move it back and forth to see if it is not repainting. If it's repainting, once you move it back and forth, it jumps away from the strong buy zone. Let me just find an example right here inside the blue circle. If you can look at that point, if I move it back, it jumps to touch the strong sell zone. Okay, it jumps to touch the strong sell zone, but if you move it forth, it moves away from the strong sell zone. So that's not a valid signal. Let's just find an example for a sell. Right at this point, you would have marked your key level like that. Okay, when price closed below this key level, you would have taken a sell right at the end of the arrow. You put your stop loss just above that highest point. If you see price pulling back, you look for more sell entries and you use the same principle. Let me just show you. You use the same principle. You mark the key level, and when price breaks through the key level, you enter more sell trades. So you would have entered more sell trades when price closed below that key level at the end of that arrow. So that is the basic idea behind this strategy. Keep practicing, stick to it. Eventually you are going to discover better ways of trading it. Until then, much love.